Let's go down into the maze.
Go down that way?
I heard it's amazing.
Okay.
Nothing. All right. All right, we are on our way to Enchanted Christmas, which is the largest maze in the entire world, filled with Christmas lights and Christmas decorations. Right in Washington, D.C. at the National Stadium, who just won the World Series. And it's our first time going, and we're gonna check it out and tell you what you can expect, tell you where to park, tell you all the tips, and tell you how it is. Let's go. All right, we are here. It is one of the most unbelievable places I've ever seen.
Find all 9 reindeer that are lost inside the maze.
All right, so the goal is to find all 9 reindeer, and once we find them, we scratch it off. You ready?
Ready.
Ready, let's go. Dancer, Prancer. 2 down, 7 more to go. Maybe they should have made them a little shorter. Makes it harder to find, but Comet, very difficult to find. So they did hide him better than the other ones. Blitzen, 4 down. Dasher, Vixen, Donner. I see Rudolph. I see Rudolph over the bush. Rudolph. Tricksters. I saw the antlers. We ran to them. This is a trick.
Jay is super distraught. He's getting really aggravated that we can't find Cupid. Come on, babe. We'll find him. Let's go.
Nobody likes Cupid anyway. Nobody remembers Cupid.
The entire maze. There's all kinds of places to. My lips are really cold, so I can't talk. Take 2. So we just walked the entire maze. It's super. I can't talk. Just walked the entire maze. It's incredible. It's beautiful. There's a million places to take photos. Bring a good camera because your iPhone isn't always gonna cut it. But you can find all the reindeer out here, and we're gonna go check out the market now.
What do you think?
I'm so excited.
Enchant Christmas D.C. This is it. 90,000 square feet. $31 to come here. $34 if you come during prime time, during rush hour hours. Highly recommend it. We will definitely be back. Maybe again this year and definitely next year. Enchant Christmas.